Aloha. Welcome back to the channel. Nucollector here. Sorry, it's been a while, but you guys know I don't hunt anymore, so I'm not finding anything. I have been working on customs. I finished one. I've been doing a lot, but I finished one, and I got one to show you guys. But I got a couple of these from my brother Shan the man, and one of them, this one from my other brother, and we're gonna open these up and take a closer look at them and see if, you know what, this is my only one that Shan gave me, but I don't know if I want to open it yet. What, I'll do this one last, and if I open it, you guys will see it. But hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are finding a lot of stuff hunting. I know I actually been watching some videos. I know there was it's been a little bit of a drought, but I think this is about the season of the droughts, because when I used to hunt there was always a lull where we wouldn't get a lot of stuff, and I believe it's this time of year. Let me know in the comments if that's true or not. But I know I want to mention something else. I know it was a while back. I think it was, in fact, just before my birthday. I think it was like March 5th. Hewitt's Hot Wheels president made a video about Yuri and that of his passing, and it was funny. Well, not funny, but it was when he was mentioning that he didn't see him on the comments of his videos and a couple of other people's videos. I kind of noticed that too, but I know I wasn't on. I skipped a couple weeks from my next video, so I was just like, oh, I made a video. I noticed he wasn't on, and I was like, oh, maybe I lost him. I was taking 2 weeks off, and I was like, because he was commenting for a while. I know he won a giveaway of mine. In fact, my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So we were chatting on email, because I know he doesn't have social media. So we were chatting on email. Seeing what he liked, because I wanted to send him some stuff, because he's on everybody's channel. Super positive, great person. We never met. I never texted him, nothing. But just through email, through our conversations on the comments on my YouTube channel. But yeah, when I heard of his passing, it was pretty crazy. It was sad. Want to give a little shout out to, his family. I'm not sure if they're gonna see it, but Hewitt's was, when he was talking about it, I thought it's pretty much how I felt, like when he was saying, we never met someone, we just go through online. We never had this when I was gonna be there. So it's weird to have like friends that we never met, and when you lose one, it's pretty weird feeling. Told my wife and some of my friends, and it was a trip, like, because he was like top 3, if not top 2, every time in my comments when I drop a video. So it was pretty crazy to hear that Yuri, his Joe Lutz, I think, yeah, that of his passing, I guess sudden passing, which sucks. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know I did hear about it. I didn't know, like, it was sad. I just didn't. Yeah, it's just weird that it's someone we never met. It's how we get these friends and online. But yeah, it sucks. So the diecast community has lost a good one. I mean, I don't know if he was a great guy. To me, I saw his comments on Hewitt's, his nephews, I guess, nieces, sounded like a great guy. He was great to me, so that's all that counts to me anyway. But all right, I just wanted to say a little something. Thank you, Hewitts, for letting people know and reaching out and talking to the family and stuff. Yeah, that was a that was a that was a bad day. That was a bad day. But let's turn this camera around. Let's check these out. Let's crack these open. Let's see how they are. Thank you for all the support. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's turn this camera around. Shaka. The biggest shaka for Mr. Joe Lutz. Aloha. Back around. What should we crack? What should we crack open first? While you guys decide, I did tell you guys that I am customizing these Kaido House Japan Police R34s, wide bodies, but I said I did have a case, and I do have the chase. So this is my first Kaido House chase, and I just want to say that it's kind of beautiful. I did not know that the unpainted parts are that awesome and glossed out and clear coated. So that was a big, what is that? That was a big surprise to me. So I didn't think it was going to be that beautiful. But yeah, let's see. I didn't get to check out the hood. Yep. Same in Jin Bay. But yeah, so this is the R34 Japan Police Chase. That's cool. I mean, I didn't really care about the chases, but man, they're kind of clean. And some of those black ones, man, those black chases, jeez, they're going hard. But here, this is the first Kaido House custom that I am finished with, fully put back. Put my own exhaust pipes on them. Got that that metal license plate. Put the interior back. I put the wheels back on. But yeah, and then I should have put all the, that'd been fun, yeah, if I didn't put the engine back. Put the engine back the way it was. But yeah, first Kaido House custom. Alright, just a couple more to go. But anyway, let's see, let's go. You know, let's open the AE. So this is the Mijo exclusive limited edition Tarmac Works AE86. I will cut it off camera because I'm not sure how to cut these, because I never get these, but so no one judges. And let's, oh jeez, all right, yep, yes, yep, good thing you guys did not see that. Okay, we got the little box, and let's check this out. Boom, this thing looks nuts. This colorway is pretty sick. I mean, I didn't think orange, red, white, and a cement gray would work, but it's kind of sick. Oh, these body lines are freaking cool. Oh yeah, this one is sick. The rims. Dude, look at this. What would this be? A splitter? Yeah, the splitter, look, it's like a whole part of the base. You guys do know I was the Lamley Tarmac. Those did roll. Do these? Oh my! Does Tarmacs roll? Do all Tarmacs roll? Let me know in the comments below, because wow, I am very surprised. I thought it just rolled because it was a Lamley exclusive with them, but damn, look at that wide body. All right, I see you, Tarmac. I see you, Tarmac. Jones Ball Design Works. I don't know who that is. Okay. All right, let's open this beautiful. Look at this beautiful card they did. Mini GT Mizu diecast. Mizu diecast. How do I know that? Is that lady that does customs? That sounds familiar. Let me know in the comments. But it's a Liberty Walk. It's the Liberty Walk silhouette Nissan 35 GT Barong. Dude, that card art is ridiculous. Alright, let's crack this open the way it was not meant to probably open. Cracked, but it's right. We'll be fine. Yep, there's a lot more ripping for some reason than cutting. Oh, that smells weird in there, but oh, the box is kind of sick. I think this is my first Mini GT by itself. I've never had a Mini GT, only the Kaidos, which is the Kaido Mini GT. So this is my first ever on the channel straight up Mini GT, which it's looking kind of good actually. It is looking kind of good. Look at that grill. That thing is sick. But holy moly. What the heck? Dang it. I cannot be collecting all of these guys. Oh my goodness. That thing rose beautifully. Look at this thing. Does this open? No, it does not open. Alright. I wasn't sure. Mini GT, guys. Mini GT. Let's get this other one open then. This other Mini GT. I've been seeing this floating around, and it's, not gonna lie, it's beautiful. I do like it. I'm working on some. You guys know I'm working on some Hello Kitty ones. So pink, I don't hate on a diecast. I don't know why, it looks pretty freaking sick on diecast. But this is the, what, Sylvia probably? Liberty Walk silhouette, yep. Sylvia S15. Look at that. I like when they do the script in the old English. Look at that. That is pretty awesome. I'm not gonna lie, that is pretty awesome. Oh my goodness. And of course it should, right? Beautifully. Very well done, Mini GT. Very well done, Mini GT. Let me know, you guys collecting these. I got them as gifts, so I'm just opening this. Hold on, let me see if I can get it. Boom. Shan the man on Whatnot, my brother. Great friend. Hooked me up with these. Let me know he wanted me to show it off. So check out his shows. I don't know if he has these. I think he has that, but I'm not sure if he has these. I could be wrong. But yep, great guy. Good fun shows. His pineapples are fire. That's why he has a pineapple. If you ever go on Whatnot, Shan the man, I'll have the link. Not the link, but his tag, his show name in the description. But yes, so we can take a closer look at this. I'm sure you guys have it. Do you guys have these yet? Did you guys find these ones? This was another gift from Shan the man. I did not expect him to give this. Hold on, dog is going crazy. But yeah, I just this is the only one. I don't want to open it. You know what? Let's do a come back next week or the week after that. If I get another one, we'll open it. But yep, thank you for all the support, all the love, all the aloha. I'll try to keep on coming back and try to show a little bit more. But yeah, some new stuff, man. Mini GT Tarmac, first ones on the channel. They roll beautifully. Maybe next week we'll come back. Kaido, I should be done with a couple more customs for you to check out. Thank you very much. Aloha. Thursday is the day today. Yeah, Yuri, sad for the community. We lost a good one, another good one. But thank you for being my online friends and my online family. Love you guys. Mahalo. Thank you for everything. Aloha.